Igbo Area TV, Onondi Igbo.
Hello, I'm Azuka Ozo OJ. Welcome. This will be the counter video for a video we did earlier regards the high price of transportation to southeast, in fact eastern Nigeria, especially during the festive season. In the last video, we complained of how Igbos are mistreating themselves in that area of transportation. You find out that the prices of transportation to the east becomes double of what you used to pay. And according to some of these marketers, it's because some of them run back empty. So you are being charged for that empty seat and on their return. So we were like, we made mention that the Igbos didn't love themselves for this. But viewers complained that it is business, that we should leave business out of Biafra. Because we tied it to Biafra while we were discussing. We said, is this how we're going to live in Biafra when we get Biafra? So we would like to share with you a viewer's response to that our earlier video, a counter response, which we think is also reasonable. Yeah, there are many counter responses, but we would like to share one, and there are many things we got to learn from it. Please stay tuned.
Onondi Igbo.
Well, Azuka, you presented economics here, and your presentation shows why most nations are poor and why some nations are very rich. Okay? First of all, transportation business is funny, just like aircraft business. I want to draw an analogy. This will be a very lengthy presentation. But before I go to present it, let me tell you, what you presented here is not an evidence that Igbo hate themselves or love themselves. This is pure economics. And it is in this cacophony the wealth of a nation is derived. If you don't manage it well, you'll be a poor country. You can go to Europe and see the Romania, Poland, Czechoslovakia. They are poorer than London. They are poorer than Federal Republic of Germany because they were nice guys in terms of business. Okay, they were nice guys in terms of business. So let me clear before I go ahead. What you presented is not what makes a person, or do they love themselves or they don't love themselves. If you discuss that in that way, that is what we call layman's discussion. Why do we call it layman's discussion? Those people does not understand economics. I will draw things to you to make it clear. If that is the case, Americans don't love themselves. But I bet you if you put your leg in the wrong place, they will kill you. For America, if capitalist behavior means that people don't love each other. So before I go further, let me make it clear to you. What you presented here does not determine to show that a group of people love themselves or doesn't love themselves. If anybody says that, it is layman's statement. That person does not understand economics. Economics is very ambiguous. It's not the principles that they teach you people in the university. Okay? Now, if you come to America, listen very, very carefully. We're talking about transportation. During non-summer, summer is May, June, July, August. That is summer. Airfare between American City and London during non-summer period, you get it for 300. Sometimes they give you for free if you've been flying with them. Because there's no passenger. They are losing money. But they got to maintain that flight schedule. Otherwise, the small customer they have will go. Immediately you reach summer, that's when they make their money. That flight from Georgia to London that was $300 and was free becomes $4,000, $3,000. You'll be begging to get a seat. You'll be begging. If you don't book 2 weeks ahead, you won't get a seat. That's what they call peak period maximization. The lack period maximization, you are losing money. All business that exists does not make money. And when then I say, oh, thank God that own this. Heavy industries is very expensive to manage. You might own a car company, you might own a petrochemical company, you are not making money. But in Nigeria, once they see that you own a car company, once they see that you own transportation company, oh, you are a rich man. During January to October, this man is borrowing money from the bank to keep his salaries. So that October to December, which is what they call peak period, that's when he will harvest his money. Peak period maximization to cover. Sometimes he will not even be able to cover. Sometimes he breaks even. Sometimes he covers and make profit. So, does the Americans hate themselves when they charge $4,000 from Atlanta to London during summer and the 300, 400, 500, 900 during off-peak period? We need to be very, very careful, please. That situation you see in Nigeria is what creates wealth of a nation. Okay, let me draw you again because I want to make sure you understand what is happening. There was a time in America, the expert says that nobody can make computer again, only IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machine. IBM makes computer, mainframe computer, as big as a room. You will have army of engineers attending to that computer. When you want to do something with computer, they charge you what we call arm and leg. When an American tells you that they charge you arm and leg, it means that they exploited you. If Mama Put, let me give you an example of an arm and leg. If Mama Put is 300 naira a plate, Ibian Uchichi, a close check about someone, Mama Put in Uchichi, and charge 2,000 naira a plate. Like American Apple, they charge you arm and leg. So the question is, why is it not good to stop that? In socialist country, in Islamic country, in Christian country, which you cited the Bible, will have gone in and said, no, Azuka, you are a bad person. The food that they're selling for 300 naira, you are charging 2,000. You must stop it. If you do that, that's a recipe for poverty of a nation. It is recipe for poverty of a nation. Let me tell you why it is a recipe for poverty of a nation. By drawing of that IBM. And also by drawing on American, the flight to London from America. Experts said that they cannot make computer. Nobody can make computer again, that the knowledge of computer is finished. IBM was ripping people off, charging arm and leg. IBM was charging arm and leg. Two small boys, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, saw the situation going on and said, hey, IBM is making a lot of money. But IBM computer is big, is in the house. If we can make a small computer, everybody we have, we make more money than IBM. So you see, that situation becomes motivation. That's what we call creative destruction. Creative destruction is the reason why America is the richest country in the world. America does not stop greed. Greed is good in capitalist economy. Greed is good in capitalist economy. Greed is the ingredient of wealth. As long as you play by the rules. The bus driver from Enugu to Lagos can charge 1 million naira. It's not against the law, is it? No. What will happen is one small boy in CKC will say, hey, people are suffering coming to from Lagos to Onitsha, blah, blah, blah. He comes up with a new idea. But the problem why we're not coming up with a new idea is the government. So instead of blaming the transporters, blame the government. If the government give the way, we think. Just like Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs said, no, IBM is making a lot of money. They're ripping people off. Oh, if we make a small computer, everybody, we have it. We're going to be a billionaire. That's why you have your iPhone today. That's why you have your laptop today. That's why you have your desktop computer today. And with Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, we are billionaires. What will have happened is if IBM was stopped to be charging, if a government had intervened for IBM to be charging 2 naira, Steve Wozniak will not come up for a solution. How many computers have Soviet Union or US and Russia give you? How many iPhone have Russia given you? You think America has more technology than Russia? America does not have more technology than Russia. It is this situation that you're saying that creates creativity from Americans. But in my own, I already have an idea of transportation from Lagos to Onitsha, where you will pay 5 naira. But I cannot do it because of Nigerian federal government. Because of Anambra state government. They are in the way. In America, we do it because the government is not in my way. Okay? Understand it. It's called creative destruction. Everybody wants to make money. For you to make money, you provide service the other ones are not providing. Let me come to American air transportation. Remember, during off period, when I charge 500, 600, 700. During peak period, I charge 4,000, 5,000. One boy, we're in America, form one what we call travelers group. He be book ahead of time. Open actually in England, he book seat ahead of time. Near deposit. Okay? Or will the deposit are failed their charter planes for that summer period. So he's still charging $500. What the other one I charge 4,000. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna switch here to his own. That put pressure on the other ones, they lower their own price. There's no government involvement. There's no bishop involvement. There's no accusation of Americans hating themselves. There's no accusation of Americans are stupid. There's no this. That is why they are very rich. Only they wolf idea and care. But the problem in Nigeria, wolf my own idea on a block on ya. Like I just soon me when we can go on a okay? If I bring out my own idea about you. That is the problem. It is the government, the echo. In biology, and ecology. Echo means house. Environmental biology. Environment determines what happens in a place. The high price of transportation into eastern Nigeria calls for business opportunity. In radical thinking in transportation. But if I put that radical thinking in transportation into a place, Buhari, cowhead, or Bachiru, Obiano, governor, Bachiru, but in America I can do it. India can jelo. The Madonna go to train in India. You know? I suggested to India they train Haga a lot to solve this problem. I got a monte. I'm done America in my first question on the America Juro. A big cancy. And say Nancy Nigeria has a man as one ebawa. Oh, now ever ganga away go up for quite bath. See, they don't want me to lead, they want me to be in their own place because I'm coming out with creative ideas. So what you're supposed to do in this program, our Igbos hated and said, he can call for creative idea to solve the problems. How okay, but did you go your cell phone price in a gear? But did you go computer price in a gear? Creativity. Before Nagalano, somebody said no. Give me a cheaper. Okay, I'll go for software, Linux, then get for free. Microsoft in a link, but Linux is no, my own gonna be free. It drags the price of Microsoft down because Microsoft is too high. You switch it to Linux, you switch it to Linux. Does that mean that Microsoft hate the Americans? It's capitalism. By them charging high prices, they don't lower the mass. See, then they won't go off season. They become mad off during season. Okay, look at what I will do. Can you call passenger honey? But I can't do it because many after 20 hours. There's no road. That's why we can't function. The government is the one that. That's why Africa is where it is. On the Kojabu, now the kind of that black people don't think. 100% correct. Black people do not think. Okay? Government na not. She shot on the government to get off the way. After the man I hear what the government in Africa. So that we can take care of business. I wouldn't allow university get that. Now, the references in there here, I'm not against the work. It's not me and you per se. I'm talking about Nigeria. When I say I use the word, I'm not against the work means Nigeria, Nigerian people. It is not you per se, but I'm saying that because I'm talking to your program. So when I say that in Nigeria, it doesn't necessarily mean Monazoka. It means Nigerians, Nigerian government, Nigerian governors. Those are the ones holding us down. Okay? And I'm in daughter to make sure the Britain and the France and the make sure the Kuliba we have not power. It's when letting you Kuliba power. Sin Nadia because many who make a Zoik. But I'm kind of something habia. It's something habia. Now one other thing. If you come to Nigeria and right now, probably if you buy one bag of cement, you will make maybe 60 blocks. Example, it might be less, but let me say that one bag of cement, they make 60 block. We got a new idea where I can use that one bag of cement to make 4,000 blocks. That 4,000 blocks is stronger than your own. If I bring it to Nigeria, I'm not against the work. Again, I'm not against the work. I'm not Nigeria, not you per se azoka. So that's what I'm explaining here now. What is blocking us is the government, because the government made their job. Let's say, for instance, they have a 6-lane freeway from Lagos to Onitsha, from Onitsha to Enugu. Transportation, they filled their own. They filled their own ideas about transportation. Okay? But you can't do that because there's no road. There's no, you come down there, to even get a license, government, it's a walk, come on. I say, America. So that's why banquet, things are done in the 14th century mode. Okay, and what are any Oronokunobi to catch up with the rest of the world? And what idea? Everybody's relaxed, doing what he wants to do. Bro, now we when he make it up. For instance, now she would na. Okay, for instance, now she would na Abuja by 10 o'clock when they beer. And by 10 o'clock, since I'm going to beer, you will charge you as much big price as you can. And I can about capitalism. Okay? A capitalist or a capitalist to take care of the population or the government. It is the government job to take care of population. That's why the capitalist pays tax. Okay? You know, some way profit in a motivated or government tax. Okay, tomorrow you say, oh, innocent is too bad on a limit for 80 million, but all go tax. Tax all kukeji na rogue main road, tax all kukeji when I rogue hospital, tax all kukeji na rogue university. He has contributed his own, but in Africa, he has paid tax to you because you look at his money that he made. You charge him, you charge him tax, not government. So it is the duty of government to deal with all those things. And not a capitalist. The capitalist is out there to make money. So because that's why you must have free entry and free exit. There are requirements for good capitalism, but already in Nigeria, I didn't want what we call crony capitalism. Crony capitalism, bodin ke dankote, sole importer of milk, sole importer of rice, sole importer of beans. Crony capitalism. It is recipe for disaster. In pure capitalist society, what you do is you write the law. There's free entry and free exit in every business. The law is there. Any business you can go in, any business you can go out. Okay, Sheme, reach wealth after. You start to see creative destruction. Now, creative destruction, they create wealth. Our competition induces creative destruction. Without creative destruction, you're not going to have wealth. And that creative destruction means that you do something better than the other person. You improve better than the other person. You swallow all of them. Okay? But in our own case, the government is in the way. After the Dangote license, since you get import beans. Well, that's a bad unket. Since you get cement, well, that's a bad unket. But so Dangote to go ash. Coal ash, you tune on a bag of cement, you know cement because it's an cement. Because that's what monopoly creates. Laxity. Companies in Europe have more money than Nigeria and West Africa put together. I almost look one person post to the Eba. Omoakanachi, Finland, Omoanya had 21 years, 22 years, 23 years. We post to where. Ndi na-achị Kenya, ụmụnwoke na ụmụnwaanyị na-achị Kenya na ha dụcha 88. But he never knew why that is so. Ije na Nordic country, Finland to 2 million, Norway to 3 million. The men are not interested in politics there anymore because they run company across Europe. And a baby for salary of 10 million, 20 million, 100 million. Jerry just mayor and president in the Finland and 35,000 naira a month. Does it make sense? That's why they laugh. If you go to Nordic country, and around politics there.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.